Case number 3. A 4-year-old child experiences a seizure on the first day of a febrile illness characterized by rapid eye blinking and unresponsiveness for approximately 4 minutes. The seizure occurred with a body temperature of 39 C. What does this presentation typically indicate about febrile seizures? A. They are most likely to occur on the first day of illness. B. They are indicative of a serious underlying neurological condition. C. They are usually associated with low-grade fevers. D. They are often preceded by other symptoms of illness. Correct answer: A. Febrile seizures often occur on the first day of a febrile illness, and in some cases, they are the first indication that the child is ill. This aligns with the presented case where the seizure occurred on the first day of fever. Febrile seizures are typically not indicative of a serious underlying neurological condition, which makes them distinct from other types of seizures. Febrile seizures are associated with high fever, usually above 38 C, and not necessarily with low-grade fevers. While febrile seizures can be the first symptom of illness, they are often not preceded by other symptoms, which is evident in this case.